What's going on, guys? Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna tell you where I think Bitcoin is heading next. It's looking quite exciting. It's really, really good to trade at the moment. Doing really, really well on the trading side of things. If we just scroll down slightly, you can see like since the 3rd of this month, done $3,000 gain there, 5,500, 1,200, 1,200, 2,200, 700, 800. Did 2 losses, which is minus 1,000, minus 1,300, and then won it back later that evening with a 3.3K. So done roughly, I think maybe 12K or something profit in the last 2 days, 2.5 days. Currently in a trade at the moment. Short in this position, currently sitting in a nice profit. So in today's video, I'm going to go over where I think Bitcoin is heading next. And as you can see, obviously I'm in a short, but I'm going to tell you where I think it's going to potentially bounce. And then, yeah, and go from there. So let's get started. Okay, so currently on the hourly chart here for Bitcoin, and just before we get started, if you do want to learn how to trade, I'm breaking down my complete strategy in a 7-day bootcamp. The link's in the video description. Definitely get involved today. Got a limited number of spaces for it. So again, the link's in the video description. So as you can see, we've basically got a massive sell area here. We've came down. We do have a weak high up there. We've got another sell area here. So I've shorted this position. We do have a number of fair value gaps. And typically when we have a breaker structure, we come back and fill it. We haven't really filled it. So if you look at what I'm seeing here is we're getting rejected off this EMA. We've got the order block. So the EMA is telling me to sell. The order block's telling me to sell. We've got the fair value gaps, which is typically a magnet to come back down. All right. So we've got 1, 2, 3 confirmations. And to end that, we've got a breaker structure here. And we typically come back to kind of fill that, not fill that, but go past that. And that's aligned with this EMA down here. So what I'm kind of expecting is us to fall down, fill this fair value gap, potentially fill this one, bounce off this EMA, and then head to the upside. And this is kind of aligning with this descending channel down to the downside here, because we have had quite a nice run from, if we go all the way down here, from like 63,000 up to 74,000. We do need to come back down. What goes up must come down, and vice versa. And then I'm looking for a bounce from roughly these levels. So around 68,800, just roughly. Let's go to the bigger time frames and see what they're saying as well. Okay, guys, let's jump into daily chart. So what I've done is we've obviously broken out of here. So get rid of that now. And then what I've done, I put kind of a line here. It's basically like an area around here to here, which is basically a support level. Now, if you look at that, that is aligned with that fair value gap, and they're all coming in around 69,800, where I thought it could potentially go. Would have thought that we would potentially have wicked off this 74,172, which didn't happen. But yeah, we're coming to the downside. Currently in the trade at the moment, and I'm looking to exit around 70,300 just to be on the safe side, with a stop loss of 71,400, I believe. That's the trade that I'm in at the moment. And if we just go to the 4-hourly, see what 4-hourly is saying, that's aligned as well. So we've got the fair value gap, another one here, equilibrium there, fallen through the EMA, going to potentially use that, get rejected off that, which we have done once, have done twice, and now we're going to fall to the downside, fill the fair value gap here, potentially fill this one, maybe use the equilibrium as support. Got a number of buy order blocks here. I don't think we're going to fall through that. I think we're going to use the support level around potentially 1, 2, worst case 3, we wick into equilibrium, and then we start moving to the upside again. So I'm currently in a short at the moment, and excited for this next leg up, to be honest. Just going to ride it down and yeah, then look for a position to open on the way up. And again, guys, if you do want to start trading, if you want to learn my strategy, learn what I'm seeing in the markets, I break everything down in the 7-day bootcamp that I'm currently running. It's called Richmond Masterclass. The link is in the video description. Definitely get involved today. There's limited spaces, and I'll see you in the next video.